Okay, so today we'll tell you the what is 5-point auscultation. Everybody whosoever is intubating the patient should check these 5 points after intubating to confirm the position of the endotracheal tube. The first point is just at the epigastrium. Here you should not listen anything. If there is a sound here, that means the tube is in the esophagus. The second points are anterior of the chest, just below the clavicle. Second point, second point on the right. The third point on the right. And the fourth and fifth on the lateral side of the chest and the anterior axillary line. In the fourth or fifth intercostal space. So that way you confirm that the tube is in the tube, endotracheal tube, not in the esophagus, and also appropriately placed above the carina.